Good morning, everybody, and welcome to today's severe weather update. So, we could be seeing a potential severe weather outbreak and tornado outbreak across portions of Wisconsin, the Upper Peninsula of Michigan, Northeast Iowa, and Southeast Minnesota today, where the Storm Prediction Center has issued an enhanced risk of severe weather in the orange shade area. We have a slight risk in the yellow shade area surrounding that, and a marginal risk in the dark green surrounding that. We also have a slight risk of severe weather extending from the central and eastern Gulf Coast up through portions of the Carolinas and Virginia in the yellow area, and a marginal risk in the dark green extending up towards the southwestern portions of the Northeast. Looking at today's concerning tornado threat, we have a 10% chance of tornadoes within 25 miles of a location in the yellow shade area, extending from northeast Iowa across central eastern Wisconsin into southeastern portions of the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. This is going to include La Crosse and Green Bay. We have a 5% chance of tornadoes in the brown surrounding that, and a 2% chance in the green surrounding that. But I'm most concerned about areas that live in this hatched area. You guys have a 10% chance of seeing strong to violent EF2 to EF5 tornadoes today within 25 miles of your location. So really pay attention to the weather if you live in this black hatched area today. Looking at the damaging wind threat, damaging winds are going to be another large concern, with a 30% chance of damaging straight line winds of 58 miles per hour or stronger within 25 miles of location in this red shade area today, a 15% chance in the yellow shade area, 5% chance in the brown shade area. We also have a 15% damaging wind risk across the south into the mid-Atlantic, and 5% chance up towards the northern portions towards the Great Lakes, Lake Ontario. And then looking at the hail threat, we could be seeing some very large hail today across portions of Wisconsin, northeast Iowa, southeast Minnesota, into southeastern Upper Peninsula of Michigan. With a 30% chance of quarter-size hail or larger within 25 miles of a location in the red area, a 15% chance in the yellow, 5% chance in the brown, also a 5% chance extending from the Gulf all the way up towards the Canadian border. And in the black hatched area, we have the potential to see some very large hail of 2-inch in diameter or hen egg size or larger within 25 miles of a location. So if you're in areas like La Crosse or Green Bay, I would recommend parking your car in the garage today because we could be seeing some gargantuan hail with these storms. Now, timing out the storms, beginning around noon today, Central Time, we're going to be seeing this cluster of showers and storms move east from areas of northern Iowa and southeast Minnesota. And as we head into the early afternoon, the storms are going to start to intensify across northeastern Iowa, northwestern Wisconsin. And as we head towards 3 to 4 o'clock this afternoon, this is when the storms are going to really start to ramp up. I mean, we could be seeing some giant hail across southwestern Wisconsin, northeastern Iowa by about 4 o'clock p.m. Central Time, with the reflectivity showing very, very large hail cores, very intense hail cores across southwestern Wisconsin. Going into 5 o'clock, the band of supercells is going to move across central and northern Wisconsin. We could be seeing very strong damaging winds, large hail, and tornadoes with these storms by 5 o'clock. And going into 6 o'clock, we're going to still be seeing the storms be particularly nasty from southern Wisconsin all the way through the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. These are going to be producing large hail, damaging straight line winds, and tornadoes at this point. And as we go into about 7 p.m. Central Time, we're going to start to transition more to a damaging wind threat across Wisconsin and Michigan as the storms congeal into a mesoscale convective system. And as we go into 8 and 9 p.m., the mesoscale convective system is going to move across the Upper Peninsula of Michigan uh, and move across areas like Milwaukee, producing possibly some really nasty weather in the Milwaukee area by about 9 p.m. Central Time this evening. And as we head into 10 and 11 p.m., the line's going to push into western areas of mainland Michigan, where we could still be seeing some damaging winds and large hail. And then as we head towards 1 a.m., north central Michigan will get hit. And then 2 a.m., the storms will weaken as they move across northeastern Michigan and dissipate by 4 a.m. tomorrow. So make sure you prepare for a potential severe weather outbreak and tornado outbreak if you live in the yellow and especially orange shaded regions across the upper Midwest today. Have a wonderful day, my friends.